They give you one example how to buy the stock with a very easy way to tell where the institution come in. This is a very classic example. I find with this stock, this is a CRWV. To be honest, I don't know what they do. I guess it's something related to the tech, but I did not look into the company very well. They have the IPO basically in March. And then since then, they have a big up and big down. So can we buy right now? With a traditional indicator basic technique, you can use the trend line to do buying selling. Basically, you buy here. Okay. So this is a very easy way to do. But another way to do is with my indicator because you don't know how much they will rebound or how much they will go up, right? You want to know where is the institution coming in. So that's why I will use, so this is a very new stock. So they don't have the blue line, which is the YM Club long to tell you the regular trend line. And they don't know the super long either. The time is too short. So they only give you the red line, okay? Because there's no data to analyze, okay? And one thing I want you to see is the YM chip entry, where the institution come in. A bunch of the green candles here to tell you institution coming in this area, okay? And basically, the red line to tell you the trend line when they change from downward to upward. Instead of this candle buying, we buy before that. We buy before that because we know company come in, we know institution come in, and then they go above the red, and then basically even on this candle because they go above zero. This is a YM big buy is the one to tell you the net buying for big volume. They filter the big volume. When it's going upward, this purple line is the average. When they going upward, it's from selling to buying, basically. But you don't need to buy in right now here, right? Because it's quite risky. The red did not change the direction yet, right? Remember, we want to buy right at the beginning of the bull market. We don't want to buy on the halfway of the bear market, okay? So now basically we buy here because they changed the direction and we have the buying from institution. One thing with this technique, we don't use RSI or we don't really use RSI. The YM chippers, something you can tell also they go above this purple line. So it's like bingo, bingo, bingo. Okay, that is so easy. Another thing I want you to check is with YM chip entry. So the traditional method is like when they go above the red, you buy, you can add, you have this and you have this, right? They go above the zeros here. Okay, so you buy on this day. Basically, oh, I buy on this day. So with YM chip entry, three methods to tell. The first one is to buy when they go above the first green candle, which is here. Okay, so not yet, not yet. The second method is more aggressive, more ambitious, which is you buy when they go above the tallest green candle. Because usually the tallest green candle is the bottom of the price, which is here. When they go above, you can start to buy here and you can start to buy here. Okay, so this is the two method. The other method is when they go above the first one, they come back, like they go up and then come back later. Okay, so when I see the example, I will show you. So this is a very easy method. Usually I don't trade with the red light, but this one is so classic. They have this confirm and they have this confirmed. So I just want to show you the example. And I hope you enjoy this video. And for the CRWV, people ask me, can I hold for long term? This moment, I cannot tell you you can hold for long term. Our strategy is we buy with the red, we sell with the red. We just make the profit. We just want money. Who care? Okay, so when the red is going up, we can still hold a stock until when they drop below the red or when the red change the direction. Okay, this is a confirm to tell you basically this one, this is the last candle at the same time the money going out. The money always react before the stock, right? You see here. So when they completely change from upward to downward. This is the last signal to tell you, hey, go out, go out, go out. Okay. So this moment, do we have the go out signal? No. Do we have a buy signal? Yes. Again, this is only video for education. We don't recommend you to do any trade before you learn. Okay. We don't recommend at all. This is only for education. So usually we use the blue light, but this example is so clear, so clean. The chart is so clear. So I want you to just to show you how to do it. For the one who want to have this indicator, you can click the link in the description. For the one doesn't have the indicator, you can use trend line, which is you point the tallest, the highest point to highest point. You turn, you basically you link up to find a straight line. Okay, when you find the most points, this is a very strong trend line. That's it. That's it. When they go above, you buy. But when they go above, it's confirmed the downward channel is finished. Okay? For example, here, this is quite like a straight line also. I want to teach you how to sell. Basically, it's so easy. Let's say you don't have my indicator, okay? So this is a very easy, clean example. That's what I want to show you. Usually it's not that easy, but you see one point, they have touched so many points. You just link up two lowest point and you find more than three touch point. This is a very strong trend line. And when they drop below, hello, you sell. That's it. So easy, right? So if you have my indicator, it's easier because actually you don't need to link up wherever. You just look at this line. When the red line change the direction, you sell. When they drop below, you already need to be more cautious. Okay, like a alert here. You can start to reduce here. Okay, so this is the update today. I like your feedback. So give me any feedback of my video, anything I need to improve in the comments, sorry. And I try to update as fast as possible. And I really, really want you to make money from the stock market. Remember, before you earn, you have to learn. Learn before earn. So learn as much as possible if you want to be successful for the stock market. Don't rush in, okay? Because it takes very difficult for you for the most of people to recover the capital. So remember, learn before earn. And the better way is to have my indicator because I simplify everything. In the future, I will put one or two more indicator to tell you more significant indicator. Okay, so I see you next video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Your support means a lot to me, and see you next time. Bye bye.